Yes, we will continue the remaining in a second video. Now we are in the view layout. Uh, I mean, we will recreate once again the view container UI element. Just remove element. Just right click. Click on insert element. Okay, VCN ALV view container UI element. Now we have created a view container UI element in the view layout. Now just save it. Now go to Windows. Go to properties. Here also we have to create the controller usage. Click on here. Now go to window. Just expand this, and just right click on the view container. Click on embed view to embed the view. Just click on F4 here and select the table. So table is the window of ALV component. Right, done. We have to embed the ALV component window in our component. Okay, right. Now we have created the controller usage, component usage. Now just come here, component usages. Just expand this and then select the interface controller usage, and here you can see the data. We have to map the our context to the data context of ALV component. Just click on controller usage and select this. Right side it will be displayed. Okay, here you can see here Mara underscore table is the context which is created in our component controller. So just expand this, just drag and drop to right side to left side to the data context of ALV component. Just release it. External mapping for context element data was defined. Yes, save it. Just activate the entire WebDyn Pro component. Activate it. Okay. Now come to the component controller. Go to methods. Just go to WD init. Here we will write the business logic. Normally, as per MVC architecture, we should have the business logic written in assistance class, or we should have the business logic written in the function module. And then function module can be called from the component controller methods, or uh, create a assistance class for the WebDyn Pro component, and within that assistance class create some list of methods. Within that methods you can call the business logic, you can write the business logic, and assistance class methods can be called from a component controller methods. So this is how it has to be executed, but for time being we are writing the select query here. Select star from Mara into table lt underscore Mara where, so we just write up to 10 rows. Okay, now just do the data declaration. Lt underscore Mara table of Mara. Okay, this is what. Now once we have the data retrieved from database, just bind it to the context node. So to bind the data to context node, you can take the help of WebDyn Pro Code Wizard. Just click on WebDyn Pro Code Wizard, set and as table operation. We'll be discussing more detail about the WebDyn Pro Code Wizard in the actual training. So select this and just click OK. Code will be generated automatically. So you can see the code is generated automatically. And now coming here and just here pass lt underscore Mara. Okay, done. That's all. Just click on WebDyn Pro component, right click, and activate it. Okay, now just right click on WebDyn Pro component. This is how we have to create the WebDyn Pro application. Like for a module program, you will not be able to execute it directly. So you will be creating a transaction code for a module program to see the output. The same way for WebDyn Pro component also, WebDyn Pro component, to see the output, we have to create the WebDyn Pro application. So by creating the application and executing it, we will be able to see the developed WebDyn Pro component output. When you create a WebDyn Pro application, a URL will be generated. So now we'll see how to create a WebDyn Pro application. This is what WebDyn Pro training, and let's give some name, application. Okay, just click OK. Okay, this is what training. Okay, just you can see the URL here. Okay, URL is created. Now just click here. Okay, and just save, send transport request, and now this execute it. Test. Yes, this is what the ALV output. Yes. Okay, you can see the entire data of Mara table, and as we have retrieved only 10 records, it is displaying only 10 records. So you can see the entire data of Mara table. Okay.